don't be a plumber, you got to deal with poop. In reality, I think I deal with more poop than plumbers. But, I also make a lot more money than plumbers. And, you can make a lot more money now too, okay? Because you spend probably like $25,000, $30,000 getting this thing ready to go, and then it'll be ready to rent to a new tenant at $1,350 a month. Got a BRRRR deal for you guys in Cleveland Heights, okay? There's a little bit of poo on the ceiling, but that's all right because there's a lot of money to be made dealing with poo on the ceiling, okay? 1001 Woodview Road, Cleveland Heights, coming to you, $74,999, okay? Just evicted a tenant out of there. Admittedly, the property kind of looks a little, a little booty, okay? It's a little booty, so much so that they're taking poo out of the booty and they're literally, like, throwing it up to the ceiling in the middle of the living room. I can't make this stuff up, right? I feel like maybe sometimes people think I make stuff up when I'm talking about these properties because, like, I don't know. I'm 37 years old, and in my 37 years of life, I've never met a human being who has taken poop and thrown it at the ceiling of their living room in my personal life. I've never encountered that, never heard of that, okay? But, when it comes to rental properties, that's what you get, okay? But that's okay. That's okay. We get paid a lot of money to deal with poop, okay? That's just how it is, okay? Everyone's like, don't be a plumber, you got to deal with poop. In reality, I think I deal with more poop than plumbers. But, I also make a lot more money than plumbers. And, you can make a lot more money now too, okay? Because you spend probably like $25,000, $30,000 getting this thing ready to go, and then it'll be ready to rent to a new tenant at $1,350 a month. Hell of a BRRRR deal. ARV probably, in the at least the 130 to 140 range, okay? So you got an ARV at 130, 140, 25, 30K in rental. What that's going to do is get you a rent-ready unit, and it's going to fix all the violations. Let's throw up the violations on the screen here, Tyler. These are all the city violations, but there's nothing like super major here that like isn't obvious, right? Like without fixing these violations, you wouldn't be able to get a tenant in there at $1,350, right? So I know people hear the term violations and they freak out. It's okay. In Cleveland Heights, every time a seller goes to sell a property, the city comes in and they inspect it. And then they're inspecting the same stuff that we'd be inspecting when we're trying to get a unit ready for a new tenant, right? Like it's just, simple stuff. Like they got in there that you got to clean the house and make it sanitary, right? Because like you can't rent a house to a new tenant if there's actual human shit on the ceiling, right? That should be obvious to everybody who's watching, okay? So you spend about 25, 30 G's, get it ready to rock and roll, $1,350 in rent, ARV like 125, 130, okay? Anyway you slice it, the deal is a freaking home run. If you'd like to make an offer on it, send my team an email, sales@HoltonWise.com. Cash offers preferred. Send proof of funds with those cash offers, but if you want to make a financed offer, that's cool. As a matter of fact, I've got lenders for you, so you can utilize my lenders, or if you got your own lender, that's fine too. Just send me your pre-approval with them. Actually, though, two more things before you even get to the point of an offer. If you want to physically tour it yourself, let us know. We'll get you in there same business day if you hit us up before 5 o'clock. It's warm now, so after 5 o'clock, I'm sitting outside my pool drinking beer, so I ain't got time for you after 5 o'clock. But you hit us up before 5 o'clock. We'll get you in there. And if you are out of state, I know a lot of people are coming to Ohio from out of state. We get a lot of Californians watching the show, and you can't physically tour it. No problemo. Don't click off the show because right now Tyler's going to show you all of the unedited footage that you've just been watching. The stuff that's been popping up and off on the screen while I've been talking. We're going to give that to you completely uncensored because I want you to feel everything with this property as, just as you would, if you could actually physically tour it like the local cats who are going to tour it. By the way, I would wear a hat if you tour it because if that shit falls on your head, it'll get in your fucking hair. I don't really have that problem. As you can see, I'm balding. Let's go.
Inside the car video. Here at beautiful 1001 Woodview Avenue. ass house. And there used to be a house here. Needs to be painted. Brand new siding on the garage. Back of the house. And this goes back a little ways. Porch. Door.
Just a shit there, remember.
Well, at least it smells the same.
It is actually cleaner.
I don't remember this being here last time I was here.
I was gonna say, I feel like these car speakers weren't here either.
The car speakers, I do remember those being there.
Was the front window broken too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't
Front,
remember that at all. What the fuck is this?
front window was broken and we had to screw these shut.
Yes, I remember having to screw those shut actually.
Yeah.
Still screw shut too.
Yeah. Well, I do not remember this being open.
I remember this though, because I remember that giant thing of grease over there.
Yeah, of course. Giant thing of grease.
Pretty standard.
It's been there for a while.
Pretty standard. Fancy lockbox.
Yeah, I remember this door here was screwed shut and
Yeah.
locked. So I don't think even when we, Jesus Christ, these steps look worse than those Illyria ones.
Yeah, right.
Be gentle on these motherfuckers. Not dealing with that. Fuck that. In my head. A lot of spider webs down here. Fuck are the electric panels here? Legit, I don't know where the electric panels are.
Behind you.
There's nothing behind me.
What are the steps?
Oh, yeah, okay. I don't know how I missed those. I would have done those first.
Probably try not to fall, which is a pretty good idea.
Yeah, you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that twice in 2 weeks.
Especially not when it goes on the internet.
Yeah. It's weird. It's weird filming these things because everything I say does end up on the internet.
Oh yeah.
So you like gotta watch what you say, dude. You can't say crazy stuff.
Sorry, we don't work with Kanye.
Not affiliated.
Never heard of him.
Yay. Never heard of them.
Yeezy? Are you trying to say a different word there, or what's going on?
I got some.
Oh, this one has that like finished attic too, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think that's why it's like considered a 4-bed, right?
Yeah, it's technically. Well, I don't know. The one up here on the right, it's kind of a stretch. Call it 2 bedrooms, but it is separated by a wall and doors. So I don't know.
Yeah.
Technically speaking,
Bathroom. Jeez. Ooh. Piss.
toilet water's gonna evaporate. It's just gonna smell like piss around here.
Yeah. Think Grand Theft Auto 5's in that case?
No.
Damn it, they couldn't even leave us a game?
I bought that game 3 fucking times already.
The ants are thriving here.
It's like their own little ecosystem.
What is it with people writing on doors, dude?
Dude, that's all the time.
No boys that start with.
All the time with the doors.
What's with the doors, dude? I mean, realistically, this place is dirty, but like,
It's not as bad as I
it's
remember.
not bad. Yeah, I remember this being way worse.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm going into the furnace.
Why is it so fucking hot up there?
It's like 900 degrees up
Do they
here.
have electric baseboard heating?
Well, electric is off, so. I'll do it. Stegosaurus out. And then we'll keep filming. Nice. Oh my god, it's so hot. Oh, nice. What the hell? Closet is long.
One of them long boys.
That was literally not a fart.
I was gonna say, I feel like I stepped on that too.
I did not shit my
I
pants.
promise. I mean, if you're gonna shit your pants, this is the place to do it.
Yeah, nobody would know.
Just leave them here. Oh, tell me that poopy pants? No. Did you get in the garage?
No, because there's a bunch of shit in there. But I did film the garage.
I feel like we filmed it before.
Yeah, it's just a big open empty garage, 2-car garage.
Yeah, we filmed the tennis from over here already.
This is what's throwing me off. Maybe you guys have access to the old video. Wasn't this table turned over on its side last time I was here?
I feel like somebody came in and cleaned it.
Yeah.
Because wasn't this whole front room covered with bullshit? Like, did we do anything for the POS that would involve cleaning?
No.
Didn't we do the exterior, not the interior?
Yeah. So, it feels like somebody was in here and like
Yeah,
cleaned.
correct. I thought the same thing when I came in,
But they didn't take anything. And they didn't leave anything.
what the fuck? I didn't damage anything.
Right, if anything, they made it better.
I mean, is that poop on the ceiling, dude?
Might be poop on the ceiling.
Is that fucking poop on the ceiling?
Ceiling poop.
Ceiling shit. That's impressive. That's impressive, dude.
That is,
I don't even know what to say about that.
that's a good distance. But even for them to have come in and clean, there's no electricity, there's no running water, there's no gas.
Yeah.
So,
I don't know. As soon as I walked in, though, I was looking at it. I was like, this is a lot. I'm seeing a lot more floor than I remember seeing
Oh well.
the last.
I'm sure the video guys will like run it back and be like, "Oh, you're an idiot. It was actually exactly like this. You're thinking of Ball Avenue."
Oh, I've found so many properties. They kind of run together.
I'm hoping that's baby formula.
Yeah, I don't know.
I think it is. There were babies here.
I actually did have a couple kids.
Couple.
Couple, 2, 3 kids.
Yeah, because like I don't remember this charger. That looks like brand new. But you can't
Maybe.
plug it in.
I feel like somebody cleaned and that was just like under the rug.
Maybe.
I don't know.
It's weird. Alright, well let's get the hell out of here.
Just as shitty as I remember, but not, I guess actually not as shitty.
Not as shitty.
Oh, let's see.
And cut.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to HoltonWiseTV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.